Yes, next na tayo. Number 71 to 80. Ito naman ay fill in the blanks with the correct words to complete the sentence. Ito. The suspect was found in the blank of the crime scene wearing a blank expression that made the officers even more. Ito guys, yung options natin ay vicinity, vivid, suspicious, vicinity, vague, suspicious, vicinity, vacant, suspicious, vacancy, vivid, suspicious, vacate, vague, and suspicious. I-define natin isa-isa. When we say vicinity guys, ito po yung surrounding area or a local area. Surrounding area, that is the vicinity. Example, the number of people living in the immediate vicinity was small. Yan po yung vicinity. Pag sinabi natin vivid, it means very clear. It means very clear yan, okay? Pag sinabi natin suspicious, kahina-hinala, of course. At kapag sinabi natin vague, yan po ay ambiguous or unclear. Unclear or malabo. Parang yung relasyon nyo. Walang kasiguraduhan. Charis. Pag sinabi natin vacate naman po, ito ay to, what do you call this? To leave or to empty the space. Yun po yung vacate. So, ano yung pinakamalapit? Isa-isahin natin. Try natin yung mga options. Try natin sa option 5. The suspect was found in the vacate. Hala, yung vacate, di ba, is the action to leave. Nakita siya sa action to leave? Siyempre hindi. So, evicted na yan si 5. Number 4. The suspect was found in the vacancy. In the vacancy of the crime scene. Pwede ba yun? Siyempre evicted. Pwede na lang tayong vicinity, vicinity, vicinity. Try natin yung 1. The suspect was found in the vicinity of the crime scene wearing a vivid expression that made the officers even more suspicious. Pwede ba? Or is it, pag vivid kasi di ba very clear. So klarong-klaro. Is it 2? Wearing a vague. Pag vague, hindi masyado. Sabi niya, mas lalo silang naghinala. Hindi masyadong clear. So evicted si 2. Siyempre, hindi pwedeng vacant expression, guys. Dapat vivid talaga. Wearing a vacant expression? Pwede ba yun? Bakit naman vacant expression? Okay. Kaya siguro sabi niya vacant kasi wala daw siyang expression or kumbaga para siyang detached sa crime scene. Siguro yan yung rationalization niya. Kasi pwede naman yung vivid, yung klarong-klaro talaga yung expression. Pero sa bagay, kung galing ka nga naman sa crime scene, of course, yung mukha mo ay hindi siya, what do you call this? Hindi siya detached sa kumbaga. Hindi siya present. So, ang sagot natin ay option number 3. So, pwede si number 3. Pwede din si number 1 actually. Pero the best is option number 3. Okay? Sagot natin dito ay option number 3. Number 72. To blank his pursuers, he pretended to blank as he walks with a broken leg. Is it skip, escape, escape, escape? Ayan. Pag sinabi natin escape, guys, it means to laktaw. O kaya naman yung bang, laktaw nga. Pero in this case, yun bang pag-skip mo or pagtalon-talon. Oo. Pag-escape naman ay pagtakas. Okay? So, try natin yung mga options. Try natin si option 5. To skip his pursuers, he pretended to sketch. Pwede ba yun? Para daw malaktawan niya. Para daw malaktawan niya yung para daw malaktawan niya yung pursuers niya ay nagpretend daw mag-sketch. Siyempre hindi. Para daw maka-escape siya sa pursuers, nagpretend daw siya, natatakas siya. Siyempre hindi. Para daw makatakas siya, nag-sketch siya. Siyempre hindi. No? Pinakasagot natin dyan ay, para makatakas siya, nag-skip siya. No? Ibig sabihin, tumalon-talon. Sagot natin dito sa number 72 ay option number 2. Next na, number 73. Tatry kong bilisan guys kasi feeling ko inaantok na kayo. After receiving the blank from the commanding officer, the team began the blank through the rough and blank terrain. Is it ascent, ascent, arid, ascent, ascent, arid, ascent, ascent, arid, ascent, ascent, rugged, or ascent, ascent, rigid? Guys, i-define natin yan. Pag sinabi natin ascent na double S, it means to give agreement or approval. To give approval. Okay? So, to give approval yung ascent na double S. Again ha, to give approval, yun yung double S. Pag isa lang yung S, it is the act of going upward or rising. Okay? Rising or paakyat. Pag rugged naman, ito yung uneven o kaya naman yung rough na terrain. Kaya ang sagot natin dito ay option number 4. Kasi after the team receive the assent or the approval, tapos sila naka-approval, the team began to akyat na. So, umakyat na sila. So, they went upward to the rough or rugged terrain. Sagot natin dito ay option number 4. Number 73, ang sagot natin ay option number 4. Guys, 27 questions left. Copy tayo. The blank phenomenon was expected to elicit blank reaction among viewers. Okay? Is it a strange? Is it strange? Okay. Sir, ano ba yan, sir? Pag strange po, or pag strange po, ibig sabihin, nakakapanibago or something that is not familiar. Okay? Yan po yung strange. Pero pag sinabi po natin strange with the letter E at the beginning, it means that you are no longer affectionate to someone. Ibig sabihin, nagkalayo na kayo. Ganon. Parang ikaw at ang jowa mo. Hindi na kayo. Nagkalayo na or has fallen, ang tawag dyan? Fallen apart. Ayan. Ayan, nagkalayo na kayo. Yan yung pagkakaiba ng dalawa. So, if you go back, the strange, pwede ba yung ang pagkakalayo nila ang phenomenon? Siyempre, yung phenomenon or yung pangyayari ay strange or nakakapanibago, di ba? Okay. Tapos, ano yung isa? Siyempre, strange pa din, no? Ay, strange pala, strange. So, hindi familiar na reaction among the viewers. Kaya ang sagot natin dito ay option number 4. Okay? Sagot natin, option number 4. Number 75. 25 questions left after this one. Bakit aray ko po si Rizman? The witness gave a blank account that was not only blank but also blank by CCTV footage. Pag sinabi natin credible, guys, ibig sabihin kapani-paniwala or what they call this? May kredibilidad din ba? Yun, kapani-paniwala siya. Pag incredible naman po, ang meaning niyan ay kahanga-hanga. Pag collaborate, of course, makipag-work ka with other people, di ba? Pag believable, syempre kapani-paniwala. Reliable, ganun din. Creditable, ganun din. Pag corroborated naman, difference ng corroborated at collaborated, ang corroborated ay pinatunayan or proved or was supplemented by, ay lumabas na yung answer, supplemented by, di ba? Yan po yung corroborated. Okay? So, hindi pwedeng collaborated by the CCTV footage. So, evict mo yung mga collaborate, evict mo yung collaborated. Collaborated, evict mo yung collaborated. Sige, clear mo natin. Kaya medyo magulo. Evict mo si 1, evict mo si 3, at evict mo si 5. Mamili ka na lang ngayon kay 2 at 4. Try natin, si number 4. The witness gave a credible account that was not only reliable, but was also corroborated by the CCTV footage. Ibig sabihin niya, yung ang binigay daw na testimony ng witness ay kapani-paniwala, reliable pa, at pinatunayan pa ng CCTV footage. So, pwede si number 4. How about 2? Credible. The witness gave a credible account that was not only believable, but also collaborative. Siyempre, hindi believable lang. Hindi lang kapani-paniwala. Dapat ay what do you call this? Maaasahan or consistent at reliable. Ang sagot natin dyan ay option number 4. Okay? Sagot natin sa number 75 ay option number 4. Next na tayo, guys. Number 76. Okay. The officers must learn to blank their emotions, especially during a blank situations that could blank into violence. Ayan. Is it control, volatile, escalate, conceal, vital, elevate, command, valiant, increase, control, viable, extend, compose, violent, and prolong? Guys, i-define ko muna yung mga words. Pag sinabi natin control, that means ang pag-manipulate o kaya yung pag-navigate, pag-balance, no? That's control. Pag volatile naman po, that means prone to sudden changes, yung pagbabago, often in emotions or temper, yung bigla-bigla na lang nagbabago yung emosyon. Pag sinabi naman po nating escalate, yan po yung tataas or magiging intensified. Pag conceal po, yan po ay itinago. Parang ikaw, itinago sa mata ng lahat kasi kinakaya ka niya. Charis, yan po yung conceal, ibig sabihin hidden. Pag sinabi naman po nating vital, that means very important, no? That is very important. At pag sinabi nating elevate, parehas lang po yun siya ng escalate na patataas or ipatataas. Pag command, of course, utos yun. Pag valiant naman, ibig sabihin bravery yan or brave, 'di ba? Pag increase, dagdag naman po yung increase. Again, same po yung control. Pag sinabi nating viable, pwede siya. Ibig sabihin plausible. Okay? Plausible po siya. And pag sinabi po nating extend, that is of course in extend. And pag sinabi natin compose, gagawa o kaya naman pakalmahin, violent, mapisikal, at prolong, pinatagal. Okay? So ano po yung sagot natin dito? Mm. Sige nga. Correct. Kasi pag correct kayo dyan, 1 ang sagot. Pag sinagot mo kasi si 5, the officers must learn to compose their emotions, especially during a violent situations that could prolong into violence. Na-repeat na po yung violent at saka yung violence. So, hindi pwede si 5. Pwede naman sana yung compose. How about 4? The officers must learn to control their emotions, especially during a viable situation that could extend into violence. Anong viable? Pag sinabi natin viable ay plausible or pwedeng mangyari. Siyempre hindi. The officers must learn to command. O, utusan daw nila yung emosyon. Hindi basta-basta. The officers must learn to conceal. O, itago daw yung emosyon. Hindi pwede. So, ang pinakamalapit na sagot natin dyan ay option number 1. Tama po kayo, option number 1. Number 77. Guys, malapit na tayo matapos. 23 questions left after this one. The blank families could hardly find their blank personal belongings. Is it displaced, misplaced, misplaced, displaced, displaced, displayed, displaced, 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 displaced? Okay. Anong sagot natin? Para tayong nag-ano dito, tongue twisters, no? Guys, yung ano natin, yung, ano yung ubos na yung gene? Mahina na ba? Anong mahina na? Ano mahina na ba, guys? Mahina yung boses ko? Sige na. Guys, i-differentiate po natin yung displaced at saka misplaced. Pag sinabi po nating displaced versus misplaced, ito po yung difference nilang dalawa. Pag sinabi po nating displaced, ito yung forced out of a place or pinaalis or napaalis sa place na yon. Ibig sabihin, nangyayari po ito pag people to communities, to body parts, at ang tono po nito ay tragedy at saka very serious. Pag sinabi po nating misplaced, ito lang yung accidental mong nalagay sa maling bagay, no? So, objects, emotion. Ito naman po ay para sa mga objects, emotions, and documents. At minor po ito at accidental, okay? Pag displaced, forced. Pag misplaced, accidental lang. So ito, pag sinabi mo, ilagay mo yung misplaced dyan, the misplaced family could hardly hinder displaced personal belongings. Again, mas mabigat po yung displaced. Kaya, sino ba yung na-displaced? Yung people, di ba? Yung people. Of course, yung ilalagay nyo po dyan ay option number 1. Kasi yung families na displaced, naalis sila sa kanilang bahay, kaya hindi na nila makita yung kanilang mga belongings. Sagot po natin sa number 77 ay option number 1. Okay? Sagot po natin sa number 77 ay option number 1. Number 78 na tayo, guys. I plan to buy a writing pad in a blank store as soon as the bus is stationary, 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 station, stationary, 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 stationary. Again, na-discuss ko na po yung nawala na naman siya. Balik ko lang, guys. Sandali lang po. And don't wanna tiptoe, and don't wanna hide. Ganito talaga siya. May galit siya sa akin. Ewan ko ba. Ayan na. Lumabas na po. Lumabas na ba? Ano na nangyari? Ayan na. Finally. Okay. Guys, alam niyo na po yung difference ng stationary and stationary. Of course, as soon as the bus is stationary, pag hindi na gumagalaw yung bus, okay? Tapos stationary yung store. Kaya ang sagot natin dito ay una muna yung letter A bago yung letter A. Correct answer, number 3. Okay, option number 3. Sige, number 79 na tayo. 21 questions left. Bilisan lang natin. Kayang-kaya natin to. The mayor's blank against illegal drugs was seen as a blank towards restoring blank in the city. Guys, yung crackdown, hindi siya pwede kasi yung crackdown, very informal siya. Tapos pag crackdown po, negative po yung meaning niya. So, eto, against good. So, hindi dapat sang-ayon. So, evict mo yan si 5. Pag campaign naman po, pag sinabi po kasi natin campaign, para ka lang nangangampanya or parang may advocacy lang. Eh, mabigat po yung illegal drugs, 'di ba? Medyo heavy at serious po yung tono niya. So, hindi mo po gagamitin si campaign kasi para lang siya sa mga hindi masyadong seryosong mga bagay. So, evict mo na yan si 1 at saka si 3. So, mamili ka na lang ngayon kay 2 at saka kay 4. So, anong pagpipilian mo? Pag sinabi po natin crusade, ito yung bang laban o kaya naman ito yung parang what we call that, yung bang, yung pinaglalaban mo, good? Oo, yun bang journey towards achieving that, no? Ito yun bang mas serious pa na campaign, rigorous na efforts. Ayan, yun po yung crusade. So, kung babasahin mo, the mayor's, itry natin si 4. The mayor's crusade against illegal drugs was seen as a systematic step toward restoring justice in the city. Pag ba na sugpo na yung illegal drugs, may justice na? Hindi naman. Pag wala na pong illegal drugs, of course, magkakaroon tayo ng order. So, ang correct answer natin dito ay option number 2. Kasi pag tingnan mo, the mayor's crusade against illegal drugs was seen as a strategic step toward restoring order in the city. Correct answer natin dyan ay option number 2. So, it makes sense po. So, pag ganito na lang po yung mga question, trial and error na lang po talaga yung gagawin nyo, okay? Pag hindi po siya nag-fit, hindi po talaga siya natin masasagot. However, guys, pag minsan din pag hindi mo alam yung meaning ng word, kailangan mo talaga siyang intindihin ng mabuti, no? So, kailangan niyo pong magbasa ng mga words na ito kasi pag hindi niyo alam yung meaning ng word, mas mahihirapan kayo sa mga questions like this one. Number 18 na, last 20 questions after this one. Try ko na pong bilisan kasi 3% na lang daw si Mad, no? Ito. As the bridge enters, their applause blank to their gladness over the long overdue wedding, but their negative facial expression blank they do not approve the groom. Is it in first, reverse, in first, in first, reverse? Guys, ano ba yung difference between reverse and inverse? Pag sinabi po nating reverse, ito po yung points to or mention something or referring to something. Ayan. Pag inverse po, ito yung deduces o kaya naman yung implied or realization. Kumbaga, ang kanyang ibig sabihin. Yun po yung reverse. Pag reverse, referring to or tinuturo ang isang bagay, isang tao. O pag infer po, ito po yung parang conclusion or parang implication or kumbaga ibig sabihin, okay? So kung dito nakalagay, as the bride enters, their applause infers or refers to their gladness or nagpapakita ng kanilang gladness, pero yung negative facial expression ay yung infer or nagpapakita or ako sir love na. Ewan ko sa'yo. Parang oo. Pag inverse, ito po yung realization or pagka concluding meaning. So, ang sagot natin dyan ay option number 4. Kasi dapat mauna yung refer or pertaining to at